got my babies. Oh shit, mud got everywhere. Got my babies. I can't wait to ride this girl right here, this big girl. Haven't rode her ever since I got her back about a month ago from after being repaired. Oh, how I've missed you. Can't even tell, can you? What's up, y'all? So we're here on the sand jack. The water's a little low, so let's hope we don't hit anything, especially that I just got my ski back, well, a month ago, but it's the first time I'm riding the ski, the GTX, since I got it back. So wish me luck. Hopefully it goes smoothly. This is the first time I'm gonna get him riding by himself. I'm gonna be able to see you with this bright ass shirt of yours though. For the first time, I'm here before this guy. I'm always late, running late onto this boat launches and everything. And I've been sitting here, taking my time, unloading everything. And it's nice. It's nice to not have to be rushed.
For once, I had to make you feel good.
Our plan is to go to the Winter Nationals boat races and let's go check that out. Now, it's happening at good times. They've blocked off good times. They're not letting anybody launch over there anymore. So that's fine. Come to my favorite place. Old Loves Marina, now Xtreme Marina. So we're gonna try to head down the sand jack and then we're gonna go over the bay. So could be choppy, could not be choppy. And then we're gonna go to Bayland Marina. Now there's a restaurant and a bar over there, and then hopefully get to Cedar Bayou. We're gonna keep on moving. I plan on moving fast. But Kevin is such a crybaby when it comes to cold weather.
Yeah.
So, I mean, he's gonna show us what he's gonna be wearing in the 70-degree weather. The water's a little cool, but not chilly. So he's gonna show us what we would wear in the winter, but it's not winter weather right now. So go ahead and show us.
In the winter time, plastic pants.
Plastic.
Even better.
I don't think it's plastic though.
Waders.
Okay, wader
Get your
boots.
socks attached to your pants. Now you're waterproof all the way up to your waist. Drift. Best ones I found, expensive, but worth it.
Sponsor him.
Sponsor Drift, sponsor this guy. Wetsuit boot. Over boot goes on the outside. It's not hard rubber, so it doesn't mess up your ski. Any breathable, waterproof outerwear. Academy Special right here. Nice and cheap. Does a wonderful job. Wear any layer you want underneath it, because you're not getting wet. Thanks. Have a good one.
So like, you don't forget Drift.
Don't forget
Sponsor
Drift.
this guy or sponsor me, whichever one. We're about to head out right now. Just waiting on Kevin. Dang, today we're just waiting on Kevin the whole day. Hopefully not on the water neither. But we're gonna pass by Winter Nationals, the boat races right now. So let's see how that goes. What's up? Yeah. See what they're talking about now. Well, that was a clear winner right there. Just keep on going. Why, it won't go?
It won't go, it's only going to 40 now.
Okay, just go 40. Come on. Hey! Here we go again. Down ski again. Trooper right there. Look at him. Seadoo needs to give him something. Look at him. He's got the Seadoo goggles on too, you know, that
right from the manufacturer.
And then look at him, he's got a towel just to wipe off those goggles. No windshield, so he just uses the towel.
You let them know you hit me with all this cancer water, right? This water tastes like shit.
Was your mouth open? I'm sorry, I owe you a drink, buddy. I owe you a drink. All right, let's go. Guys, so we made it. A little bit of rain, but it was still worth it. 2 skis, well, 1 ski kind of broke down, but then we got it back up and somebody lost a seat. But we're here at Bayland Marina. People are talking about, where'd y'all come from and what's going on? Why are there so many jet skis? Just typical Saturday, having fun on the water. We just finished lunch at the restaurant right there, and it was pretty good. I had some shrimp and fish, in case y'all want to know. Ski's riding good, pretty good. No complaints at all. Time will tell. I guess when I get home, I'll just need to remove the seat and check inside. But then again, I installed the bilge pump, so everything looks good. Offroad in